Tell whether the sentence is comparison or contrast. Number 1, both apples and oranges are fruits that grow on trees. Is it comparison or contrast? The correct answer is comparison. Number 2, my best friend and I enjoy the same hobbies like painting and reading. Comparison or contrast? The correct answer is comparison. Number 3, unlike dogs, cats do not need to be walked outside every day. Is it comparison or contrast? The correct answer is contrast. Number 4, dolphins and sharks live in the ocean and are great swimmers. Comparison or contrast? The answer is comparison. Number 5, a car runs on gasoline, whereas a bicycle requires pedaling. Is it comparison or contrast? The answer is contrast. Number 6, while summer is hot and sunny, winter is cold and snowy. Is it comparison or contrast? The answer is contrast. Number 7, basketball is played with hands, while soccer is played with feet. Comparison or contrast? The answer is contrast. Number 8, just like her brother, Emma loves playing soccer. Comparison or contrast? The answer is comparison. Number 9, a bicycle is similar to a scooter because both have two wheels. Comparison or contrast? The answer is comparison. Number 10, pizza is usually baked in an oven, but sushi is served raw. The correct answer is contrast.